Hey friends, welcome back. We are headed to the grocery store and we're going to take you along with us. So a change of scenery for today's video, but I'm excited you're here. It's going to be a bumpy ride. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Tori. I make videos 4 to 5 times a week all about life here in Northern Colorado. I try and teach you to be prepared on a budget. So if you like that kind of thing, definitely hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let's get going. All right, just getting back from Costco. We have a few different things. We spend a ton, I feel like, but that's Costco. I don't know. The prices are definitely going up there as well. I thought they were going to stay pretty consistent, but around the holidays, I feel like there's a price spike on your staples like flours and dairy and things like that. So yes, starting over here, we have organic ground beef. Of course, you know, the way that we choose to buy does have a reflection on the cost, but it's important to us. So organic ground beef, we got 3 of these for $19. They also have bison, but you only get 2 for $19, so not the best price with that. We also have gourmet chocolate chunk cookies for $9.99. We got the Kodiak Power Cakes, and that'll be good for breakfast and things like that. Anyways, what else did we get? Some milk, and back here we have organic Honey Crisp apple. Okay, that cut me off. What I was saying is the Daisy Sour Cream is a good price. I believe it's like $4.50. We got the organic maple syrup. That's another good price. We have the baked scallop potatoes. That was on like a Costco savings. We have organic, not from concentrate, 100% lemon juice for my water and for canning. And then I found some all-purpose flour. The organic unbleached is not enriched, which is really nice. So I think it'll be good for some homemade breads this season. I'm hoping to replace our bread. We shall see if I get a good recipe. If you have a good sandwich bread recipe, drop it in the comments if you don't mind sharing. We have the organic Stacy's pita chips, and my husband got cheese and caramel popcorn mix. And then we have fresh sliced mozzarella. I thought that would be yummy with just some tomatoes and balsamic. And then I was excited to find the almond flour pasta cheese ravioli because this was under $10. I believe it was $8 or $7.99, and it's a pretty big bag. So this is a really great value compared to the grocery store. And then we have the Duke's Original smoked shorty sausages, some asparagus, and then we have some bars for the kids. This is pricey, but I feel like it's worth it just because of the ingredients. We have Millie playing with a shoe over here. We got some paper towels, some baby wipes, and Dale's Pale Ale, and that was it. So we are set for the month when it comes to Costco. Here it is over here. We got 2 organic orange juices for my adrenal cocktails, and some eggs as well as some bananas, and then we got the pizza for $9.99, and that's it. That is definitely it. I'm going to get this put away, and I will catch up with you in a second. Alrighty, hi. I put the groceries away, and I wanted to just kind of come down here and talk to you about this video. So every now and again, I, on this channel at least, kind of get into a rut, and it has just been a wild week, a wild month on YouTube, and I don't know. I just wanted something different. I wanted to show you some items that we were stocking up on, and I also wanted to show you some realness, I guess. So we definitely are consumers. I want to support local as much as I possibly can. I know a lot of you feel the same way. So going to Costco, you know, I'm 50-50 on it. It doesn't make me feel great that I'm supporting this gigantic conglomerate, but at the end of the day, I'm trying to feed a family of 5 here. And if I can do that on a budget, that is what I'm going to do. So when I'm not finding discount deals, when I'm not finding good ingredients at my typical grocery store like Kroger or Walmart. Sometimes that's honestly once in a blue moon because I never have a good experience there. But when I'm not finding things on sale at Kroger, I turn to Costco and they have what I need. So like I said in the video, I've been trying to just swap out things that we're typically eating. If you are new here, my husband and I, we just eat so completely differently. And I've just been trying to work with him on that for our entire relationship. So I am trying to swap out things that we already eat. Like I was saying, we eat sandwich bread and, Oreos. You saw popcorn and things like that. So I feel like I can't replicate some of those items, but I can replicate at least half of them. And that is my goal. So I got that organic, unbleached, unenriched flour today. And I'm hoping for some sort of, swap out. We're not going to buy store-bought bread anymore. But if we do, that's okay. So a lot of times if you see in my hauls, just some, items or ingredients that I really talk badly on. It's 9 times out of 10 probably for my husband. I try my best. And, on the flip, there's a lot more that goes into that. If I want to buy organic and non-GMO ingredients and can't find them, I'm probably just going to opt for the next best thing. And it just has, a bunch of chemicals in it. We still eat fast food every now and again, and we still do all these things that I talk so badly on. And I feel like that's the balance that we are in right now. And I know a lot of you can relate to that. No one is going to do this 100%. No one's going to be absolutely perfect. And then when they think they are, there's going to be another thing that they need to trade out in their life. And that's kind of the cycle that I'm in right now. It can be extremely overwhelming once you get into that rabbit hole. You can't come out. Like I say all the time, you are learning things, you're knowing things that you can't unknow. You're learning facts that, the government doesn't have our best interest at heart. And the easiest way to manipulate our health is through our food and air and water. And it's hard to wrap your head around. It really is. It's hard to wrap your head around and then stay positive about it. But, I am a 50-50 here leader of my family, and I feel called to it. I feel like it's my job to take care of us. So of course I'm going to do everything I can to make that happen. But I wanted to jump on here and say at the end of the day, it's very, very difficult, especially living in the United States. So I wanted to make this little outro and talk about just being easy on yourself, especially in this season. Just take a step back and try and remain positive. Try and be thankful and grateful for what you have, because at the end of the day, that's what matters. Life is too short to constantly be worrying. I often find myself posting online. I've been doing it. I'm the social media millennial generation. And whenever I post something, someone's going to have a problem with it. So I can say, hey, I got this organic beef, but someone's going to say it's packaged in plastic, or you didn't get it at so-and-so's ranch. There's always going to be a problem. And when you're on social media and you're putting this out there, people are going to say that. And then the people that aren't on social media but are actually watching the content, they read those comments, and then that makes them think. So it's just like this negative chain of reactions, and it's really difficult. It honestly is. Being a influencer, I don't like to call myself that because I never want to influence any of you. I guess I want to motivate you to prep on this channel. That's what I want to do. But being in this job that I'm in, I oftentimes am trying to shape my conversation, or shape the way I'm purchasing, or shape the way I'm looking on camera to make it look like I have this, perfect life. But I also find myself being 100% pulled in the realness. So I wanted to be real with you. I wanted to show you what I bought. And no, it was not in our budget to go to Costco, but we needed the food. So we are going to try and make it work. Things are getting outrageously expensive. Please look to your community. Dial your local 211. I talk about it all the time. And then at the end of the day, look to who you're voting for, honestly. honestly. Colorado made a very sad decision tonight, and one that did not surprise me. And honestly, I don't think it's going to do anything great for the citizens of Colorado. If anything, it's just going to move us more into a positive spot in the next election. But fingers crossed. I'm not going to go on here and talk about it. I try not to get into politics, but unfortunately, food is very political now. So yeah, let me know how you feel about that in the comments. If you've been reading the news, it's just a little frightening, the decision that they made tonight. I don't care what political side you are on. It was a scary decision that was made, and it affects everybody. So yes, that's all I'm going to say on it. I've already had a few messages asking me to speak on it, but I don't think I'm going to go past that. It's just really not in my best interest for the channel, but I hope you had a good time today. It was just a little bit of a change up, trying to step away from this background and just give you a little realistic day in my food journey. So yes, that is going to wrap it up. I will catch you on the next one. Stay adventurous, stay creative. Bye, y'all.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days